one. Immediately, Code Crushers getting some green cubes. Eagle Pride B grabbing a ton of cubes extremely fast. Eagle Pride B dispensing a ton of green cubes into that goal. And it looks like Code Crushers getting some cubes ready to score. Eagle Pride B knocking off those red cubes off the post. That's 15 points if you can get all three. And they absolute strikes. Eagle Pride B lifting up their lip to score a ton of green cubes. They outtake them all and manage to get 4 cubes in that goal. Code Crushers getting 1 in this goal. Let's see if they can get their last one in. And they managed to get it. All cubes are knocked off, and the teams get the uniform goal bonus. Let's see if teams can manage to get a park at the end. Eagle Pride B getting a ton of more cubes into that goal. And both teams managed to get the partial park. All right, moving on to qualification match number 67. We have 7-5, 7-8, 5B.